Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Nighthawk Pro Gaming Router for the first time. And to do this, first let's start with the antennas that this router comes with, and keep in mind that all of the antennas have their number. And for example, you can take a look at this one, which is antenna number 2, and to connect it we'll need to take our router, find the specific antenna number 2 is right here, and screw it in. Make sure that it's really well screwed, and now it works fine. Okay, we can move to another one. And this is how it looks like when all of the antennas are screwed in. And then next thing is to connect our router to the power source. And here I have the adapter that this router comes with. And the power cable goes right here. Okay, so it's properly connected now. Next thing you would do, but I'm not gonna do that, but it's very simple. You need to connect your internet source into the plug right here, and then we can choose how we will connect this router to our device. If you're playing on PC, then simply connect the Ethernet cable with your PC and the one of the slots right here onto your router. You can also go with the Wi-Fi, and I'll be using a Wi-Fi anyway, so let it just power on. Okay, I think we also need to activate our router with the power key right here. Now we'll need to give it a few moments. And now we have Wi-Fi established, which you can see right here with the LED lamps. Then on my phone I open the Wi-Fi settings, and there's a Netgear 04 which I'm gonna connect with. You can also see your router name right here, as well as the password. So let's click on that and enter the password below. And we're connected with our router, and that is the setup done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.